Hey guys, welcome to my orchard videos. How's everyone doing? Well, doing another update on the mini backhoe. I guess you would call it a micro backhoe is what I should really call it. It is a micro backhoe. Anyways, I don't know if I had mentioned this before in my previous videos, but I got these plans for this backhoe through PF Engineering. They're online. So actually I have the plans also for a front end loader. So they're quite reasonable for the price of what I paid for them. Anyways, getting to the backhoe, I had to make feet for it to raise it up, because what the problem is now is I made these brackets on the back of the machine, which now is about 6 inches higher than the original, where I had it before. And with the 93 Kubota, I had the B7100 HST. It was actually 6 inches lower in this machine. So I had a problem before when I had the feet all the way down. Wasn't enough ram there on the cylinder there to raise up the machine enough. So now I have lots there. I added about 6 inches on the feet here, added some extensions. It's not quite done yet. I have to better get this in frame here, eh? I still have to do some more work with the plasma cutter on these, get them where I want it to be, looking a little better. And yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm working on now. And I'm going to be making the pins up, because I want to make that so I can take them on and off if I need to, or well, if I need some work on it, I want to just do it that way. I don't want to have it welded in there like I had before. So I'm going to be doing the same system as here, if I can show you that or not. This system here, where I had drilled the pin and just put a bolt in there. It works for me that way. The proper way is to obviously have the collar, and you drill the hole through the collar and the pin, and then you put your bolt in there. Like that's what I've done on the front of this machine here. Excuse me. So anyways, that's what I'm doing. And once we get done that project, I will definitely post that up. So there'll be other good stuff coming up soon. I'm just waiting for parts and money to come in so we can carry on with more projects on this project. Alrighty. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.